Wow.
What? Now, where the heck did you find a shotgun? Somewhere.
Now dance for me.
Yoo-hoo, Henry. Shoot this apple off of Daniel's head.